You see, most people, they wake up, go to work, come home, watch TV, sleep, and then repeat every single day for the entirety of their life. Occasionally, people will stumble upon an ad of someone talking about a specific business that can make them money. Now, most will automatically assume it's a scam, but some will be interested. Now, what I think most people don't understand is that to succeed within any business, you are going to have to invest your time, effort, and capital. And the time and effort part comes to most who are ambitious, but when it's time to open up the wallet, people get scared. Either they have no money to invest, or they were raised to not take risks, but instead to live a life of constant comfort. But what if there was a way where you could work for yourself without investing any money, but instead investing into nothing but yourself? Now, how can you invest into yourself without any money? Build a skill set. Making money is simply an exchange of energy. A business values their product or service, and the customer exchanges their skill-based earned money for that specific value. So let's talk about a skill set that you can monetize off of instantly. The skill set of being able to sell. Now, I know that's sort of broad, but we'll get into those details. A lot of people truly talk with a lack of confidence and self-esteem, as one of my books is titled Sell or Be Sold by Grant Cardone. You know, when I first got into business, I realized that I was too often being sold. So what did I do? I reverse engineered what was happening and why it was happening. And during this process, I was able to determine some key factors that people use to sell, such as authority, emotions, and scarcity. Understanding sales is probably one of the only skill sets that you can utilize in almost every aspect of life. People sell books, people sell medicine, bikes, phones, and so on. There will never be a day on this earth where people aren't buying anything. But how can you make money off of other people's products and services? You become the middleman. I have 2 salespeople that work with me currently. The trade-off for my time is not to be performing person-to-person sales all day, so I found someone that can talk their way into deals. And because of what that person does, they get a percentage of whatever deal they close. They don't have a job, they don't own a business, they simply are utilizing a skill set they learned for their own benefit. Now, imagine if you had the ability to close deals left and right and never have to actually fulfill that product or service, but you still get paid. It sounds almost like a dream, but it's a true reality for those who put in the time and effort to reach the level of a successful closing rate. So, how can you do the same thing? Step 1, you're gonna need to build the skill set. You're gonna need to know how to actually sell something, high ticket, low ticket, and anything in between. And step 2 is you're gonna have to find a gap. You're gonna have to find an opportunity, a possibility to help a company, whether it's a product, a physical product, or a service. You know, figure out how you can help them sell more in any kind of way, whether it's through Instagram DMs, phone sales, door-to-door, or any other selling method. And step 3 is gonna be making that connection. I get DMs every single day of people reaching out to me, telling me they want to do sales for me, they want to close deals for me. And I think it's great, except for the fact that I already have salespeople that are working for me and doing very, very well. And being honest here, most salespeople that I've worked with in the past really don't know how to sell and what they're doing, and that has caused some distress to myself and my own businesses, which is what you do not want to do to any company. So if you want me to teach you more about sales and how you can really monetize off of it, I will make that in a future video, as long as this video gets 500 likes within the first 7 days of it being up. So if you want to learn more, you want to see more, and you want to be able to make more, or even make any money if you're not making any right now, then go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe. So if you hit that 500 like goal, I will have that future video coming out. So you want to make sure you're subscribed to know when that video comes out. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.